And I think I will be doing it. Not I think, I will be doing this again. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I went to the Royal Ascot for the first time and I had to dress up. So I managed to create this. If you want to know how I created this fascinator, keep on watching. I haven't gone out there and splashed out on proper resources, so I'm styling it out and I'm using things that I already have at home. I have here a piece of card and I want to make a dome style hat. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out a circle, and it would serve as the base, and everything else would then take shape based on this card. So let's do this. again. I'm off work today, so I thought let's just finish this task and move on to finishing off my garments at the back there. Here I took my time last night and I gradually, like with tiny little stitches, I don't know if you can see it. I tried using invisible thread, but it just kept knotting up, so I decided to use just normal black thread, and I painstakingly stitched this to the front. So that's the front and that's the back, obviously, and I just I tacked on this just to make sure I've got the position right, to make sure that I've got it where I want it to be. So it's not stable because this is not the final stitch. I might end up using a hairband, an actual elastic hairband. I haven't decided yet, but so far I am liking it because it's not too pointy. It's just like a flat dome. So I'm just gonna carry on from where I stopped yesterday and just let's see how this thing goes. I hope it looks good. I've got some ideas, but I just hope I'm able to do it the way I imagine it in my head. Keeping it simple, but also making sure it's not too basic, if that makes sense. Right, let's carry on. So here's the end product. A lot of freestyling. I didn't have the slightest clue what I was doing, but I quite like it. So I got rid of the hairband that I had, and I'm going to add an elasticated one. I'm going to stitch it on there and just strap it around my hair. I'm very pleased with the look of it, and I'm really pleased that I put the felt, gave the edge a smooth sort of look rather than a sharp edge. Yeah, let's have it on and see what it looks like. I like it. I don't know. So every single thing I used to create this fascinator, I do intend to recycle, because we're in an era where everyone's very enlightened and we know the usefulness of using things over again. I mean, what's the point? I probably won't be wearing this again. I probably won't be wearing it again. So I do recommend using, like, hand stitching things rather than gluing them. Hand stitching, using invisible thread, so that when you finish you can undo it, you can get rid of the thread and reuse the materials again. That's the plan. Yeah, so I had so much fun creating this fascinator. I had so much fun creating it, and it was, you know, it was a new experience for me. I did it off the it was just the spur of the moment thing, and I'm really pleased that I had a go, and I think I will be doing it. I will be doing this again. Yeah, it was a very, very good experience, and you know, I was so pleased I did it, and I do recommend you try it. So let me know how you get on with creating your own fascinator on a budget without breaking the bank, and using materials that you can find around your house. I hope to see you soon in my next video, and for now, have a great time. It's worth using the correct materials for this if you want to keep it for a long time, because if this gets wet, you know what would happen. Oh dear.